Back again, it's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirit. Well, Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton has disclosed that there are 58 working ambulances across regional health authorities. He revealed on Tuesday in the House of Representatives that this is 16 more than the fleet available 5 years ago. Well, my wisdom warriors, Christopher Tufton is now saying that 58 working ambulance is across the regional health authorities. But Christopher Tufton, we need more ambulance. We need more ambulance. 58 ambulance still is not enough. We need more ambulance. We need more ambulance. Look how much hospital they bought. Look how much hospital. We need ambulance. Remember say people have accident left, right and center, you know, brother. Yeah, but this, my wisdom warriors, is a good move. You know, so I always come out and I talk about the ambulance them. You know that? Me always come out and I talk about ambulance. But then again, my wisdom warriors, Christopher Tufton, Andrew Wellness, they like to talk the talk, but they can't walk the walk. Then we come out and say 58 at work, and when you check, I know 58 at work, a 1 hour work, a 2 hour work, a 3 hour work. Seriously. You understand me? So we can't really take them word for it. We can't take them word for it because a lot of time when shooting happen, when accident happen, you understand, incident happen, my wisdom warriors, there's no ambulance to the rescue. No ambulance at all. So we need ambulance. We need ambulance. Seriously, we really need it. We really need it. Member of Parliament for Southwest St. Catherine, Everall Warmington, has hit back at the IC claim that it has been properly audited. Really? What kind of hit back? What happened to this miserable old man, man? What happened to this miserable old man, my wisdom warriors? What is he talking about? These people out here misleading the Jamaican people all the time. The little wretch. Him know this a little, my wisdom warriors, sometimes I really get upset, you know. Sometimes I really get upset. The people, them have the proof. The people, they have the proof. It was Nigel Clark. It was the finance minister that approved it. Yes, it was the finance minister that approved the report, the signing off of the auditor report. So what are you talking about, Everall Warmington? You're just a miserable old man. Seriously, you need to come out of House of Parliament, man. You need to lift up because I cause all of them problem here. Every single problem wanna see happen, my wisdom warriors, are this old man. This blasted little short old boy. Every time he come out with the nasty mouth, a chap, a yap, I tell lie upon the people them. It was Nigel Clark that approved this auditing. So what are you saying? And guess how put it out? This rubbish nationwide. Eh? Who the hell is this man? Who the hell is this man? Who is Everall Warmington? How him have so much talk? Who is this man? Remember him come out and say he's a gang leader, you know. Remember, you know. Everall Warmington is a gang leader, you know, my wisdom warriors. You know, some people probably are taking for joke, you know, because I love talking, you know. But listen to me. A reality, you know. A real thing, you know. He's a friggin' gangster. Yes, he is. He is. You know what is a gang leader? You go and go Google it and then you will know what a gang leader does. You know, hear me? So you see enough things will happen. You see enough things will happen, my wisdom warriors. Don't put it past them. Because from you call yourself gang leader, we can call you out. From you call yourself a gang leader, we the Jamaican people can call you out and hold you accountable for all these things that is happening in Jamaica. It is not right. It is not right, my wisdom warriors. Who the hell is Everall Warmington? Eh? Who the hell is Everall Warmington? You know, say Andrew Wellness cause all them foolishness here. Andrew Wellness cause it, you know. We need to get out Andrew Wellness. But Jamaican people, me don't know if afraid or not afraid or what. Nobody now come out and protest, ask this man to step aside, to step down, to resign. Jano. Anyway, according to Nationwide, last week the Integrity Commission rejected comments from the MP that it has not been audited in years. It is true, the people them have the proof. Me telling you with the Jamaica Labour Party, them is a friggin' set of liars. And every liar is a raw thief. That's why you have Mr. 28 account, have whole heap of money going in account. That's why you have Mr. 28, have whole heap of millions of dollars charity money going in his account, my wisdom warriors. You don't think a joke? You don't think a joke? And this man cause all of them problem here. This Andrew Wellness. This Andrew Wellness administration. Jesus mercy. You don't see? This party is a destruction to Mother Earth. We have to get them out. We have to get them out. Mighty God of Daniel. Boy, me no know. Everall Warmington, you are Satan, the supporters them, pan the PNP. You are the one that Satan labor rights supporters pan the PNP. Because you out here calling out news media, you call out IC, you're putting people's life in jeopardy. You're putting people's life in danger. Everall Warmington. And remember, you come out and say you're a gang leader. You need to be audited. At that, your work what you used to do. Your work boy, you're a minister of work. We need to audit that. You come out and chatter. Who you, brother? Who you? Nasty face old man. Who you, brother? The Press Association of Jamaica has condemned remarks by People's National Party spokesman Peter Bunting, who recently questioned whether certain police officers are being promoted because of ties with a friendly media house. It seems the fastest way to turn SSP, Senior Superintendent of Police, is to work with a friendly media house for a few years, get transferred to the JCF, Jamaica Constabulary Force, and you catapulted from District Constable to Senior Superintendent in a couple of years, said Senator Bunting, who shadows the national security portfolio. Where is the lie in this, my wisdom warriors? Peter Bunting never tell a lie. Anytime when you hear Peter Bunting come out and talk, I true. I saw it go. When you hear me, I saw it go. Because me, I wonder the same too. Me, I wonder the same. Listen, my wisdom warriors, yeah? Listen, same thing what happened with Abka Fincenley. Remember, say Abka used to work for Nationwide News, you know. Remember, say Abka used to work for Nationwide News. And what is Abka doing now? Working with the Prime Minister. So, what Peter Bunting is saying, listen, there is proof. We see it happen before. We see it happen more than one time. So, obviously, I agree with Peter Bunting. I agree. You understand me? It's like you have to have links. It's like people that have like education and people that is well experienced, they don't get the opportunity. You have to have links and work with certain news media, yeah, and bring Andrew Wellness go straight up at top. You know, promote Andrew Wellness, and when he say, wow, you promote him so much, then bam, that is exactly what is happening. So I don't know where these people come out. The Press Association of Jamaica has Press Association, uno go back in, go sleep. Uno go in, go sleep. Because when Everall Warmington come out and I call up the Gleaner name, uno only come out and talk about how the Press Association condemn Ras this and condemn that. Uno go on back go sleep, brother. What happened to uno? When uno come out, uno for call name. You see how you come out and call name right now? Uno come out. The Press Association of Jamaica has condemned remarks by People's National Party spokesman Peter Bunting. Uno see how uno call up Peter Bunting name? Uno is a little wretch. Uno the Press Association of Jamaica. Uno is a wretch. Because other day, uno come out and uno no call out Everall Warmington name. Me say, any boy, me no know. Me no know. You see, good people always get fight. Good and honest people always get fight. This is why the PNP are get fight, my wisdom warriors. Because they are honest and good people with clean hand and a pure heart. A real thing me I tell you now. But you see, when the devil ready for work, only God alone we can call up and for intervene in this. Because the Press Association is a little wretch. The whole of them, me I call them out and tag them. Uno, the Press Association of Jamaica, uno is a wretch. Because other day, uno sister Everall Warmington come out as a minister. He's the only minister will come out and a text it on a news media And uno no come out and call out for him name, you know. Because I'm afraid of the labor, right them? I'm afraid of Andrew Holness. But true because uno hot. True because uno hot and no find PNP as a weak fence. Uno come and call out Peter Bunting. Don't call out with ministers them name. Uno hear me? Don't call out with ministers them name. Uno go back in, go sleep. Uno go back in, go sleep. Because uno no mean Jamaica well. Because enough time I see Mark Golden I do film work and not one I uno post it. So I don't know one come out a chat about. Uno go eh. My wisdom warriors, all Everall Warmington of talk about auditing our money. Everall Warmington of chat about money, my one next one. He is the next one. You can't imagine? He is the next one come out and talk about money, money, money. You need to stop talk about money, Everall Warmington, because the whole owner of the Jamaica Labour Party is a damn thief. That's why Mr. 28 account in this frigging problem we're in right now. Can you hear it to red? And not one owner of the balls. Not one owner of the guts. Una idiot and una coward. The whole owner ministers in the Jamaica Labour Party. Una fool and una idiot. Una make one man have one up on a puppet string. Una go the whole owner coward. Because the man thief charity money. The man had the money laundering. And none of una so make una stand up on the behalf of Jamaican people. Una go on like say Andrew Holness put on with part uno there. But wait, we're going to get out the whole rasta uno. Uno hear me? We the Jamaican people are going to get uno out. Can you imagine my wisdom warriors? Can you imagine? Everall Warmington out here. But he is calling for full compliance, value for money audit of the Integrity Commission IC. Out here I try explain himself, but under the standing order. Shut your little nasty face. All boy, shut up. Shut up because you are the same very person will come out and say you not give PNP no money. So them need to audit your work. Yeah, them need to audit you when you usually deal with the money. Them need to audit you. You have too much chat, boy, for your old boy. You have too much chat. Come out, boy, you're a gang leader. Boy, you're a gang leader. You're the only gang leader. We know that. And we know so enough things go on. I could as all you responsible for it. You think so we are fool? Stay there think Jamaican people don't know what go on, man. We just a play fool for catch wise. Remember, una go fall in the trap. My wisdom warriors, una tell me what you think. Tell me how you feel about this. And put on a honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, guys. I want to run over to my next channel. It is called the PNP News Round channel. Guys, get me to 1,000 subscribers. Blessings upon blessings. One love.